only February and our Christmas list already has a new addition, the Nissan 370s K. Unveiled prior to the Chicago Auto Show, this one-off 370Z has been overhauled and turned into a giant snowmobile. Why? Why not? To create the 370s K, Nissan removed the sports car's driveline, raised the ride height by 3 inches, created custom mounts for the rear springs, and bolted on a set of 3-inch wheel spaces. Additionally, the brake lines and exhaust were rerouted while modifications were also made to the rear wheel wells. With these changes done, Nissan engineers were able to fit tracks sourced from American track truck at the rear axle. Up front, a pair of huge skis has been fitted thanks to similar wheel spacers to the rear and custom engine and transmission mounts. To ensure the 370s K can tackle any terrain, a skid plate is also found at the front. Both the engine and transmission remain stock. As such, the 6-cylinder delivers 332 horsepower and receives its drive from a 7-speed automatic transmission. Obviously, Nissan has no intention of bringing the 370s K to production, but such a vehicle isn't entirely new territory for the brand. In 2016, it fitted snow tracks to customized examples of the Pathfinder, Murano, and Rogue.